Welcome to HeapHero. We're excited to introduce a groundbreaking feature, the world's first interactive graph to visualize objects in memory. This innovation transforms how developers analyze Java heap dumps, making memory analysis more intuitive and efficient. Traditionally, memory objects are presented in extensive tables, which can be overwhelming and time-consuming to interpret. Identifying memory leaks or large objects often requires sifting through thousands of lines. HeapHero revolutionizes this process with our interactive heap object chart, a multi-level pie chart that visually represents hierarchical data, allowing you to grasp memory distribution at a glance. Click on any segment to drill down into its child objects, exploring the memory hierarchy seamlessly. Use the breadcrumb trail to navigate back to previous levels effortlessly. Select a segment to view detailed information about the object, including its fields and references. Right-click on a segment to access incoming and outgoing references, providing deeper insight into object relationships. These interactive features empower you to analyze memory usage more effectively, pinpointing issues with precision. In just a few steps, transform complex data into an insightful visual representation. Start by uploading your heap dump file to HeapHero. Once the analysis is complete, go to the Largest Objects section. Click on the Chart View tab to access the interactive graph. Experience the future of memory analysis with HeapHero's interactive graph. Visit HeapHero.io to try it out today. Simplify your debugging process and optimize your applications with ease.